are several ways to add or upload a document to Rocket Matter. You can upload documents from Dropbox, Box, Evernote, or Office 365 if you're using these integrations. However, to upload a document from your computer, click the Add New button and Files or URL. Choose your file and watch it come on over to Rocket Matter. You can also click on the File folder or page icon, select and upload folders or files that way too. Once the document is stored in Rocket Matter, you can then choose to bill for it or share it via Portal, amongst other options.
For more information, contact a member of our award-winning support team today at 888-432-1529.